Why is PPE encapsulation crucial for safe firefighter transport? Imagine carrying a bag full of tiny, invisible hazards after a fire. Now picture trying to move that bag without spilling its dangerous contents everywhere. That's why PPE encapsulation is so important for firefighter safety during transport. When firefighters go from the fire scene to the station or hospital, their personal protective equipment can still hold onto harmful chemicals, biological agents, and smoke residues. These contaminants can include volatile organic compounds, carcinogens, and tiny particles from combustion. If these substances escape during transport, they can expose firefighters and others to health risks. Encapsulation means sealing or enclosing the gear to trap these hazards inside. This prevents vapors from off-gassing into the vehicle and stops particles from spreading around. It's like putting the gear in a protective bubble that keeps everything contained. This containment reduces the chance of firefighters breathing in toxic vapors or touching contaminated surfaces. It also prevents cross-contamination inside the transport vehicle, which is especially important if multiple firefighters are being moved. By keeping the contaminants locked in, PPE encapsulation helps protect the health of everyone involved. It also makes post-transport cleaning easier because the hazards stay on the gear until proper decontamination can happen. Firefighters often wear turnout gear, helmets, gloves, hoods, and self-contained breathing apparatus during fires. Despite the protection these provide, chemicals can still seep through or settle on the gear's surfaces. If the gear isn't properly sealed before transport, those hazards can escape and pose risks. Encapsulation allows firefighters to be moved safely without removing their gear prematurely. This is especially important after exposure to extreme heat or hazardous materials, when gear may still be hot or chemically active. Proper PPE encapsulation aligns with best practices for contamination control and occupational health. It supports ongoing efforts to improve PPE design, sealing techniques, and cleaning protocols. Overall, it's a simple but effective way to keep firefighters safe during transport and until thorough decontamination can be performed.